Hey, welcome to the Sparkle Podcast. I'm so excited. Do I say that every time? Because I am. I'm really excited. But I am looking so forward to my Mom Wins series that I'm introducing. And I shared with you yesterday a mom win that I had over the weekend. And I had a mom win yesterday too. I'm like totally excited. But I just posted on my Instagram story how you can submit your mom win. So in my story highlights, there is a highlight called Mom Wins. So if you go there, you can submit your win, and I'm going to be highlighting your win on my podcast here and just celebrating your win. And I'm just going to read it out loud, and I'm going to let people know how they can go celebrate you too. But I think it is so important, number one, to be in community, to be around other women. If you're a mom, if you're not a mom, just to be around other women who are winning. Literally. And I specifically want to celebrate mamas, and your wins. So if you're listening and you're a mom and you had a win, let us know. Let's celebrate you. But let me share my win from yesterday. I'm so excited. I got to go out and be around other business women and listen to my friend speak on her expertise of marketing. And I was talking to women about social media, and the woman was sharing about social media who was running the networking event. And it was really fun just to be around other women. And it's been a long time since I've been at an event like that. I used to be at events like that every week, honestly, with my business, for like years straight. But I took a hiatus from business and, started homeschooling my kids and just being, super mom at home. And now I'm just stepping back in and just getting my feet a little wet back into the business world and reintroducing myself as, who I am. I'm a website designer. I make all kinds of digital stuff. If you show me something, I could recreate it. And that's what I do. That's like my side passion. And then I, run my beauty business, and I take care of my customers, and I educate women on how to take care of their skin. And then on top of it, I'm, creating content on YouTube and now my podcast. And so I'm just, I love to create. So that's just me. I love to create, all things creation. So it was just really fun to share yesterday with women and listen to women's dreams and what they're doing. And so that was a huge win for me. And I got to go out with my girlfriend afterwards, and we had dinner and we just talked, and I listened to her dream, and I shared a little bit, more about, my journey. And it's just wonderful to connect. So if you're not connecting with other women who are, doing what you want to do and what you're doing, I highly suggest to get involved and reach out, and it's a season. Like there's a season, if you have little babies, like you're probably most likely going to be at home, and you could, if you have other, friends that have other babies, you could have play dates and whatever that looks like. But if you're able, and your husband can be home with the kids, or you can get a sitter for a few hours, I would highly suggest, if you're able to get out and be around other women. And so it was just a nice win for me yesterday. So I wanted to share that. And today I'm going to have a productive day. I have a couple meetings, and I'm really, really just excited to just, get back in the groove of working and all of that. So, one step at a time. Everyone's in a different place. So that's just where I'm at. Where are you at? What are you doing? How are you winning in your life? Literally so excited for Mom Wins. This is my Mom Win number 2 that I'm sharing. And I'm going to share this. I want to share maybe every day. I don't know. Who knows? You might hear from me every day. But I want to hear from you. Again, reach out to me. Screenshot this episode or whatever episode you're listening to on the Sparkle Podcast, and let us know that what are your takeaways from listening to this, and how is it encouraging you or inspiring you into some kind of action? Because that's my main goal, is to get myself into action. And while I'm doing that, sharing what I'm doing and my process and my mindset on it, and to help you be encouraged to do the same. And so what is that looking like? Tag me on Instagram at Portia.Franklin and let me know. But most importantly, if you're winning, let me know how you're winning in a mom win. All right. I will talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed this quick snippet of my mom win of the week. Well, of yesterday. You might hear from me again. But have an amazing Tuesday or whatever day it is when you're listening to this. And don't forget to sparkle. Don't forget to sparkle. I'll talk to you soon.